In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the pin which is used for your assignment. As before, when I do the demonstration, I only show you how to create the model. You need to check the dimensions and the features to make sure they all meet the requirements of the assignment. We use the part module again. This time, we're going to learn two more commands. One is the revolve protrusion. The other one is mirror. Okay, let's start revolve first. Click on the plane. Now we need to draw a shape, which is a quarter of the drawing appears on the instruction. So what we have to do is we have to start with a line command. So draw a line from middle until with a horizontal, a line with a horizontal line. The length of that one is half of the 38 is 19. Okay, then click and zoom in, go up. The height of that one is 9. So half that is 4.5. Okay, and just click and drag horizontally. The thickness or the distance here is a 1.5. Click and mirror down a bit. So here, you go down by a distance 9 minus 6.6 divided by 2. So it is 1.2. 1.2. Click and then move horizontally. That distance is 1. Click, go up. Make sure align with this one. That should be 1.2 again. Click and drag horizontally. When it's aligned, is 6.5. Click and move down. And wait for this. Oh, we should actually go right beyond here. Okay, rather than get the middle, it should be there. Okay. So if you get something wrong here, right click to cancel it, move to the select, and click on this line and click on delete. So that gives me opportunity to show you how to correct the things. Go back to a line, move to the layer, click, then move right to the center line when it appears and click. Now we can move down to that one that appears, right click. So we have to have them joined end to end. Whether it works, we'll see. when we actually assign axis of revolution, click that command, assign that one, and then you click on close sketch. If you manage to get this point, don't click down. Use a wheel to zoom in. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in. For the angle here, you put a 360. Or you just click on this one. You have the model created and click on finish. All right. So you have half of the pin. The next is to use mirror command, which is here. There's a mirror feature and mirror part. So the one we used is the mirror part. Click at one and click on the part to be mirrored. Click on the surface, the mirror surface. Click and click on finish. Cancel. Then you have the pin created. Again, you need to add the chamfers, and the features should be appropriate, meet the requirements of the assignment. That's it for this video.